back to my channel. I was just about to dip the ends of my hair and I said, let me turn the camera on because somebody might need this video. I didn't finish these ends, but I'm gonna finish it. So I'm gonna just start off by just grabbing a section of hair, and then all I do is just twist it, keep just twisting that whole section, and just kind of like twist it all the way down to the end. Then I pick up that section and kind of flip it up. It's kind of hard to explain, but you just take that whole section and you go up, so it's like a cinnabon, and then you just wrap that, but it's still like you have to twist it because you want your ends to look curly, so you gotta twist it. If you just wrapping it, it may not come out as curly as you want it, so you gotta twist it as you turning it around that section. And then with the end, you just tuck it somewhere and just pull the whole thing down. It's kind of like locking it in place. So just take your hand and just slide it down some, and it's kind of like it's just locking it in place. And I had one little piece of braid that just didn't want to cooperate, so I had to tuck that in some kind of way. So that's pretty much all I do, but I'll just let the video play and let you guys see how I do it more and more.
Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood, Jesus. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood of Jesus. Nothing but the blood, nothing but the blood of Jesus.
unravel because I was a prayer warrior, child. I'm in there praying over my daughter. The enemy trying to make my daughter feel like she's not confident. She talking about she not pretty. Other girls at school are prettier than her. I had to pray over her. We had to have a pep talk, and child, my head just unraveled. I do not play. I do not play at all with the enemy. So that's why I'm a prayer warrior over my household, and I pray that you will be a prayer warrior over yours as well.